Keeping your glasses and hearing aids clean is essential for clarity and proper functioning. Clean lenses provide better vision, while a well-maintained hearing aid ensures you hear clearly. Regular cleaning reduces the risk of damage and promotes hygiene, making them comfortable to use every day. To clean your glasses, you'll need a microfiber cloth, which is gentle on lenses, and a lens cleaning solution or mild soapy water. Always use warm water, not hot, to avoid damaging the coatings. Finally, have a soft towel ready for drying without scratching. Start by rinsing your glasses gently under warm water. This helps to remove dust and debris that could scratch the lenses if rubbed. Avoid using hot water, as it can damage the lens coatings and frames. Now, you're ready for a more thorough cleaning. Apply a small drop of lens cleaner or mild soap to your fingertips, then gently rub the lenses. Pay special attention to the corners and edges where dirt tends to accumulate. Use circular motions to ensure an even clean, making sure not to press too hard. Rinse your glasses thoroughly with warm water to remove all traces of soap or cleaner. Make sure no residue is left behind, as this could cause streaks. Check for any remaining smudges or spots and rinse again if necessary. Dry your glasses with a clean, soft towel by gently blotting the lenses. Avoid rubbing, as this can cause scratches. Finish by polishing with a microfiber cloth to give your lenses a clear, streak-free shine. To clean your hearing aids, you'll need a hearing aid cleaning kit, which often includes a small brush and vent cleaner or wax loop. A soft, dry cloth is perfect for wiping the exterior. These tools help you keep your device in optimal condition. Start by gently wiping the exterior of the hearing aid with a soft, dry cloth. This will remove any visible dirt and dust. Avoid using water or liquid cleaners, as these can damage the device. Check for any earwax buildup that might need additional attention. Use a wax loop to carefully remove any earwax from the earpiece. Gently clean around the sound openings, taking care not to push debris further inside. Regular maintenance like this helps prevent blockages that can affect sound quality. With a small cleaning tool, gently brush the microphone ports to remove dust and debris. This is crucial for ensuring clear sound reception. Be gentle to avoid damaging the sensitive microphone components. Carefully open the battery compartment and use a small brush to clean out any dirt or moisture. Make sure the battery contacts are clean, as this ensures a good power connection. If the battery shows signs of wear, replace it with a new one. Store your cleaning tools in a clean, dry place to keep them in good condition. Organize them for easy access and replace any that are worn out. It's helpful to label tools for specific purposes, so you always know what to use for each cleaning task. It's best to give your glasses a light clean daily and perform a deep clean on your hearing aids weekly. However, you can adjust the frequency based on your personal needs and environment. Consistent care helps extend the lifespan of both devices. Improper cleaning can lead to scratches or streaks on your glasses and reduced sound quality in hearing aids. If you notice visible dirt or residue, or if your devices have an unpleasant odor, it may be time to revisit your cleaning routine. To avoid common cleaning mistakes, never use household cleaners on your glasses or hearing aids, as they can cause damage. Avoid excessive moisture and always handle your devices with care. It's a good idea to check the manufacturer's guidelines for specific cleaning recommendations. If you're unsure about cleaning your devices yourself, consider using professional cleaning services. These are available at many optical and hearing aid centers, ensuring thorough and safe cleaning. Professionals can also offer personalized advice based on your specific devices. Maintaining the functionality of your glasses and hearing aids involves keeping them in good condition and scheduling regular checkups with specialists. Replace any parts as needed to ensure they continue to perform optimally, helping you see and hear clearly. If you notice any damage or malfunction, or if you're having persistent cleaning issues, it's time to seek repairs. Consulting professionals can prevent further damage and ensure that your devices are working as they should. Adapt your cleaning routine to fit your lifestyle and consider any environmental factors that may affect your devices. You can modify cleaning techniques to make them easier for you, ensuring that you always feel comfortable using your glasses and hearing aids. Regular cleaning of your glasses and hearing aids is entirely manageable and promotes their longevity and performance. With the right techniques, you can feel confident in your ability to care for your devices. Enjoy the benefits of clear vision and hearing every day.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.